Are you tired of constantly tapping your iPad Pro screen when you're trying to edit in Final Cut Pro? What if I told you you could have all of the essential Final Cut Pro keyboard shortcuts right at your fingertips? Well, this is the brand new keyboard cover from Editor's Keys for the iPad Pro. Let me show you how it works. Welcome to the video. So this is the keyboard cover for Final Cut Pro for the Magic Keyboard for your iPad Pro. We're also today actually releasing them for DaVinci Resolve and Logic Pro as well, but this video is focused on Final Cut Pro. So let's open up the packet and I'll show you how it works. So this is how the keyboard cover looks when it's on your iPad Pro. And this is the 11-inch model here, and it looks absolutely fantastic. So essentially, you're gonna have quick access to all of your Final Cut Pro shortcuts, as well as some desktop versions as well. So there's a couple of things to note here. All the keys are color grouped, so it helps you find shortcuts quicker than ever before. And then we also have some red keys here as well, and you can see the command key is also in red. So that means for those shortcuts, you'll need to hold the command and press that shortcut. So let's open up the inspector by holding command and number 4. And there we go, we've got a quick shortcut to finding the inspector. Now let's take a look at some other shortcuts. Let's just say we want to append a clip here. We can just tap this clip here. Maybe we want to favorite it first. You can see we've got the F key, which is the favorite key. Let's tap it. And instantly we've favorited this clip. If we want to find our favorites, all we have to do is click up here, and then we can go to favorited just down here. So it's a quick way of marking clips the right way. So let's just say we want to bring this clip into the timeline, and I want to mark it in and mark it out and then append it onto the end. So let's just say I want to mark in here. All I have to do is hit mark in right there on the keyboard. Keep playing it through, and I want to end it there. So I'm going to hit the mark out. Now, if we press the E key, this is going to add it to the end of the timeline. There we go. Our clip is right in there with the mark in and out points, and we've appended it to the timeline just with 3 simple shortcuts. Now we've got this clip on the timeline. Let's say we want to split it. All you have to do is find the split shortcut, which is Command B, and we've split it as easily as that. If you've used keyboard shortcuts before, you'll know how powerful these are, and bringing them to the iPad takes your Final Cut Pro editing to a whole new level. But this keyboard cover isn't just good to help you edit faster, it's also going to protect your iPad Magic Keyboard as well. I mean, this keyboard is over £250 here in the UK, and if you spill any crumbs or water onto this, it's going to get damaged, and essentially Apple are not going to repair that for you. So by putting this cover on, it makes it splash proof and crumb proof as well. So if you spilled your coffee on here, there's a good chance that this cover could save the day. Now you can open and close the iPad and leave this on. I would recommend actually removing it just in case there is any sharp dust or debris on your keyboard cover. We just want to make sure we're not going to mark the iPad screen. But the great thing is, if you want to take this off, maybe you're not doing a video editing session or someone else in the family is using the iPad, you can simply take it off and start typing as normal. As soon as you're ready to go, just simply stick it on the iPad. Maybe you're in the coffee shop or the edit suite and you want to get editing, put it on and you're good to go. It's as easy as that. So that's a quick look at the new Final Cut Pro keyboard cover for your iPad Pro. We have them for the 11-inch model and the 12.9-inch model as well. I'll put a link to the product in the description box below. And if you've got any comments or questions, please do leave them below as well. And make sure you subscribe to the channel because we already have a ton of Final Cut tutorials, and we're going to be adding loads of tutorials for the iPad version as well, coming very soon. So I'll see you in the next video.